So what we have read, beta, that all the four children were sent to their old professor's house. Okay. Now the professor had unkempt grey hair which not only covered his head but also most of his face. This is what had scared Lucy, the youngest of the four. So the professor had what, like, how will you define the professor? What appearance did he had? So he had an unkempt grey hair. Unkempt means messy. So unkempt grey hair which not only covered his head but also most of his face. मतलब उसके पूरे चेहरा, like उनके जो प्रोफेसर का जो फेस था वो पूरा हेयर से ढका हुआ था. ओके. एंड दिस हैड स्केर्ड लूसी बीइंग अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड. आप इस सब चीज़ों से, लाइक, शी वॉज much scared with this appearance of the professor. Okay. And Lucy, very important, she was youngest of the four. इन फोर चिल्ड्रन में पीटर, सुजैन और एडमंड से सबसे छोटी कौन थी? लूसी, द यंगेस्ट ऑफ द फोर. ओके. One evening after dinner, the children were sitting and talking when suddenly they heard a loud sound. अब ये क्या कर रहे थे? One evening after dinner, डिनर के बाद they were sitting and talking and उन्होंने अचानक से क्या सुना? A loud sound. They heard a loud sound. What is that noise? Exclaimed Lucy. So Lucy is quite shocked and she is saying, what is that noise? The house was much larger than any other house she had lived in or visited before. The house was much larger, बहुत बड़ा घर था, than any other house she had lived in or visited before. The long corridors and empty rooms scared her. मतलब बहुत बड़ा घर था और बहुत रूम्स जो थी आपकी खाली थे, बिल्कुल एम्प्टी थे. तो क्या हुआ? लूसी इससे डर गई. The long corridors and empty rooms scared her. Oh, Lucy, it just is a bird, teased Edmund. So Edmund is teasing Lucy because she is really afraid, and he is saying, "Oh, Lucy, it just is a bird," teased Edmund. मतलब tease मतलब बिल्कुल आप leg pulling, टांग खींचना. Okay, so he is teasing Lucy because she is very afraid. No, it is a bat, said Peter. Now Peter is saying what? No, it is a bat. It must be a fox, added Suzanne. Now Suzanne is saying nahi, it must be a fox. Fox hoga. Grinning. Grinning means making a broad smile. Grinning means making a broad smile. Like she was very, like she was smiling and she is saying it must be a fox. So who said it must be a fox? Suzanne said. Who said it just is a bird? Edmund said to Lucy. And who said it? No, it is a bat, Peter said to Lucy. Okay. The children teased Lucy. Now all the three children, Suzanne, Edmund and Peter, they started teasing Lucy because Lucy was very afraid. That's why they were teasing her. Who was almost the most cautious of them all. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देने वालों में से एक है. एंड उनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान किस चीज़ में दिया जाता है? लाइक अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल शी वॉज वेरी अलर्ट, लाइक शी हर्ड अ साउंड, सो शी वॉज एट वंस शी वॉज वेरी अलर्ट टू नो वॉट sort of noise was that. And all the three children just began teasing Lucy, and Lucy was so petrified. So petrified here, petrified means to be afraid, to get scared, डर जाना. Okay. Lucy was so petrified that she decided to ignore them and just go to bed. So as she was really afraid or scared, so she decided to ignore all her three siblings. Peter, Suzanne, Edmund, they were teasing her. So instead of arguing with them, she decided to ignore them and she just went for bed. So she just went to bed. It was raining heavily the next morning. Next morning क्या हो रही थी? बारिश हो रही थी, बहुत जोरों की बारिश हो रही थी. After breakfast, the children sat around wondering what to do. Now after breakfast, the children sat around and they were thinking what to do now. Okay. I think we should explore the house. I think we should explore the house. You never know, there might be a lovely adventure waiting for us somewhere in this house. So who said these lines? The line is said by Peter. So I think we should explore the house. You never know, there might be a lovely adventure waiting for us somewhere in this house. So this line is said by whom? It is said by Peter. The others agreed. Other children also agreed. Okay, you are saying right, and being a small kid, they are all excited to explore the house. Lucy was still a little unsure, but Lucy, she was afraid also. So right now also she is very she's not sure about like whether she should go exploring the house or whether she should stay behind. So she is pretty unsure, and unsure means not having much confidence and to behave, or you can say to behave in a nervous way. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा श्योर नहीं होना कि मैं जाऊँगी मैं नहीं जाऊँगी. So she was in a doubt, but she would not be left behind. But वो ये नहीं चाहती थी कि सब चले जाए और मैं पीछे रह जाऊँ. So they all set off to explore the enormous house. All the 4 children started to explore the house. And enormous means big. Enormous means big, बड़ा. Okay. It was the kind of house that seemed to never end. इतना बड़ा घर था बेटा कि वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था. It was never ending. There were doors everywhere leading to empty bedrooms or hallways. There were doors everywhere leading to empty rooms, empty bedrooms or hallways. बहुत बड़ा घर था. Okay. The children began to explore every room. Now the children began to explore every room. Now coming to next page. I hope you have understood this page. Now coming to next page. Page number 32. See. One of the doors they opened led into a room that had nothing but a large wardrobe in it. One of the doors that they opened led into a room that had nothing but a large wardrobe in it. अब क्या हुआ? इतने सर्चिंग के बाद they finally found a room which was actually empty but had a large wardrobe. So this is a very important line. One of the doors that they opened led into a room that had nothing but a large wardrobe in it. So after exploring so much, they finally found a room which was actually empty but there was a large wardrobe. बहुत बड़ी सी अलमारी थी. कुछ भी नहीं था उस रूम में लेकिन एक बड़ी सी अलमारी थी. Okay. There is nothing in here, said Peter, and they all trooped out. Now Peter is saying यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. Now Peter is saying what? यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, चलो यहाँ से. Said Peter, and they all trooped out. मतलब वहाँ से चले गए. They left. However, Lucy stayed behind. Lucy stayed behind. लेकिन Lucy पीछे रह गई because she wanted to explore that wardrobe. However, Lucy stayed behind. She thought it would be worthwhile trying to open the door of the wardrobe even though she was sure it would be locked. अब now what is Lucy thinking? She is thinking it would be worthwhile. Worthwhile का मतलब ये होता है बेटा useful. Worthwhile means useful. एक अच्छा ये लूसी ने क्या सोचा? ये सही रहेगा, चलो wardrobe को देखते हैं, ट्राई करते, क्या पता कुछ अच्छा मिल जाए. Like that. So trying to open the door of the wardrobe even though she was sure it would be unlocked. लेकिन उसे ये पता था कि जो wardrobe है वो लॉक होगा, लेकिन फिर भी वो खोलने की कोशिश कर रही थी. Okay. She was surprised when it opened quite easily. Now she was really surprised. She was really shocked that कि wardrobe का दरवाज़ा जो डोर था, जो दरवाज़ा था वो अपने आप खुल गया, मतलब आराम से खुल गया. Okay. She found herself looking at the whole lot of fur coats hanging inside the wardrobe. Now, as you can see in the picture, lot of fur coats are there. See the picture. See the picture. In the wardrobe, there are a lot of fur coats. So that is what we are reading over here. She found herself looking at a whole lot of fur coats hanging inside the wardrobe. The fur coats were so soft that Lucy was tempted to rub her against them. Now the fur coats, as you all know, are very soft. The fur coats are very soft, and so she was very tempted. Tempted means very attracted. Tempted means to get attracted. Now अब वो fur coat से इतना ज़्यादा प्रभावित हो गई थी कि वो अपने face पे क्या करी थी? रब करी थी, because it was so soft. Lucy stepped into the wardrobe. Now Lucy stepped into the wardrobe. It was completely dark inside. It's obvious कि the wardrobe will be completely dark. Okay. She took a few more steps, expecting to feel the hard woodwork of the back of the wardrobe. Now she went ahead. She took more steps, expecting to feel the hard woodwork of the back of the wardrobe. मतलब वो और आगे चली गई to explore something. However, all she felt was an empty space. But unfortunately, she felt an empty space. कुछ भी नहीं था वहाँ पे. There she felt an empty space, which meant she could walk deeper into the wardrobe. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि वो और अंदर जा सकती थी. ओके, तो शी वेंट अहेड. एज शी वॉक्ड, जैसे ही वो चली, शी फेल्ट समथिंग क्रंचिंग अंडर हर शूज. हर हैंड्स कुड फील समथिंग सॉफ्ट, चॉकी एंड वेरी कोल्ड. दिस इज स्ट्रेंज, थॉट लूसी. इट वॉज स्नो. अब आगे चलते हुए उसे क्या लगा, कुछ अलग सी आवाज़ आई और उसको कुछ फील हुआ, कुछ सॉफ्ट, चॉकी और वेरी कोल्ड, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा फील हुआ, कुछ उसको फील हुआ. एंड दिस इज़ वाई शी इज सेइंग दिस इज स्ट्रेंज, थॉट लूसी. इट वॉज स्नो. अब यहाँ पे यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर देर इज स्नो. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 33. पेज नंबर 33. ओके. Lucy continued to walk. Lucy continued to walk. Soon, instead of the soft furs, something rough and prickly brushed against her face. अभी तक तो she found fur coats that was so soft that she rubbed against her face. अब what she is finding now, क्या हुआ, अब सॉफ्ट फर के बजाय समथिंग रफ एंड प्रिकली ब्रश्ड अगेंस्ट हर फेस. अब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा चुभने वाली चीज़ और बहुत ज़्यादा रफ चीज़ उसके फेस को टच किया. Why? It is just like branches of tree, she exclaimed. Now she is saying to herself कि why? It is just like branches of tree. ये तो सिर्फ पेड़ की जड़ें हैं. Lucy shut her eyes tight because she was really afraid. बहुत ज़्यादा डर गई थी. Lucy shut her eyes tight, wondering if she was in a dream. अब वो ये सोचने लगी कि शायद वो एक सपना देख रही है, उस सपने में है. When she opened her eyes, she saw a strange light a few meters away from where she stood. जैसे ही उसने अपनी आँख खोली और जहाँ से वो खड़ी हुई थी वहाँ से उसने कुछ दूरी पे क्या देखा, एक लाइट, एक अजीब सी लाइट देखी. A moment later, she realized that she was standing in the middle of a forest. Now she realized that she was standing in the middle of a forest. Forest के बीचों बीच खड़ी थी. It was night and snowing heavily. It was night, रात हो रहा था, रात हो रही थी, and snowing heavily, और बहुत ज़्यादा बर्फ गिर रही थी. Although Lucy was frightened, भले ही Lucy frightened थी, she was really afraid. She was curious to know what lay ahead of her. Though she was very afraid, she was very frightened, yet she was very curious to know something about what will come in her way. So she was really excited to know about it. For an instant, she thought of turning back. एक पॉइंट पे इसने ये सोचा, चलो पीछे चलते हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा, let's move back. She turned around and saw the door of the wardrobe through which she had entered. Now when she turned around, जब वो घूमी, and saw the door of the wardrobe through which she had entered. अब उसने क्या देखा, जो wardrobe का door है, जिस wardrobe से वो आई थी इस forest के अंदर. So what she saw, that was reassuring. If nothing goes wrong, I can simply run back. She saw the door. अब उसे ये दिख रहा था कि पीछे तो अलमारी की डोर है, मैं वहाँ से अगर मुझे लगेगा भागने लायक तो मैं भाग जाऊँगी. I can simply run back, Lucy thought to herself. If anything goes wrong, कुछ भी गलत होता है तो मैं जल्दी से भाग जाऊँगी. पीछे अलमारी की डोर है and I can run easily. If anything goes wrong, I can simply run back, Lucy thought to herself. She continued walking and soon she reached a lamp post. So what do you mean by lamp post? What do you mean by lamp post? See, this is the lamp post. This is known as the lamp post. As you can see in the picture, this is the lamp post and she is Lucy, and we will know who is this creature, we will know in the later chapter. Okay. She continued walking. अब वो चलना उसने start किया and soon she reached a lamp post. अब जैसे she was in the middle of the forest, so she started to move ahead. वो आगे चलने लगी and soon she reached a lamp post.